A baby's slow weight problems. New mothers worry a lot if their child is not growing quite as fast as the other babies in their age range. Not having their firstborn child to compare the newborn's weight and growth to is sometimes worrisome for inexperienced mothers. This causes a lot of comparison glances at the pediatrician's office on checkup day. And questions that start out innocently enough between mothers can turn into the third degree by the time the nurse calls out the next name. A new mum needs to have good communication with the pediatrician and ask about her child's growth problems if she's worried. There are many factors that can affect a baby's weight as it is growing up. The most common factor is the actual birth weight of the baby when it was born. Premature babies have a lot of catching up to do, especially if they are born at half the weight of a full-term infant. If being premature isn't the cause, and the low weight problem is not getting better over time, then consider congenital reasons. If young babies are gaining weight too slowly or not at all, there may be a medical cause which needs to be determined. Health problems that can cause an infant to have a low weight can range from minor to severe. It is up to the infant's doctor to diagnose the baby to see if the problem is a simple one. Short-term causes can be poor appetite due to an ongoing cold or infection. Diarrhea can cause weight loss in a short time period. Teething problems or colic can make a child not want to eat or drink anything. More serious issues concerning a baby's slow weight can be traced to the health of the mother during the pregnancy. Drugs and alcohol have been proven to harm the normal growth of a baby indefinitely. The infant may have a gastrointestinal problem or a heart problem, intolerance to milk, formula or some other allergy can disturb the child's normal nutritional needs. Also, infant with LBW is prone to have various infant syndromes putting life at risk. If a pediatrician believes that a child's dietary needs are not being met, he or she can advise the parent on how to make changes that will help the infant gain weight and growth. Long-term malnutrition due to food allergies or diseases like celiac or Crohn's can cause physical as well as mental deficiencies. A baby's health can be gauged through unnatural weight loss or weight gain. All mothers should be concerned if they notice any weight problems and relate their worries to their child's pediatrician. One must learn how to care infant right from the beginning to avoid unwanted consequences. NT